Okay. Get a little more video of this guy. I'm not going to zoom in too much, but he's awake. Let's see, 9 days today? Yeah. How you doing, bud? Yeah, you know.
I muted it because Nightmare Next Door's on. I don't want you videotaping him while they're talking about some little girl being bludgeoned in the woods over there.
Well, knowing you, you'd probably tell him the story in one of your Anne Rule books, and you'd think that that would put him to sleep when he comes back and kills us in 20 years. Hi.
Should we turn the air on?
Yeah, it's hot. Now you've gotten changed. You just got fed. What are you fidgeting about?